Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my homemade blueberry crumble. So let's get started. So in my bowl I have a little over a pound of blueberries. I washed them. I have 1 3/4 cup of flour. I preheated my oven to 375. 1 cup of sugar. I also squeezed the juice of fresh lemons. So in my bowl, I'll place 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into my blueberries. There's one. There's the second one. To this, I'll add in 3 tablespoons of flour that I'll take out of this flour. So there's 1. 2 and 3. Now I'll take 3 tablespoons of sugar. There's 1, 2, and 3. What I'm going to do now is stir this all together very gently. So I'm taking it up from the bottom and gently stirring it. That looks good. So now I'll place this bowl off to the side. So in this bowl, I'll place the rest of the flour and the sugar. I'll also melt 1 1/4 sticks of butter, and then I'll pour the melted butter in with the flour and sugar. So into the microwave it goes to melt. While my butter is in the microwave, I'll pour the flour in. Then pour the sugar. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, so I'll just eyeball it. Now I'll get my melted butter out of the microwave. I have a 9x13 baking dish. I'll lightly spray it. Now I'm mixing my flour, salt, and sugar together. I'll pour the melted butter in. Now I'll mix this around. And this is the crumble mix. You want to make sure it's mixed good. So I'm folding it from the bottom. That's good. So now I'll take my blueberries and put them in my lightly greased dish. You just want to move your blueberries around, kind of flatten them out on your baking dish. That looks good. Now I'll take this crumble mix and with my hands, just crumble it on top. You want to cover the blueberries. This blueberry crumble is really good. Serve it with ice cream or whipped cream. And you'll bake this in your 375 degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. And that's the rest of the crumble. So now into my 375 degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. So into the oven it goes. So now I'll check on my blueberry crumble. I'll put the light on. Oh, it's looking good. A few more minutes and it's coming out. It's time to take my blueberry crumble out of the oven. Look at how good that came out. You can see it's still bubbling. Ooh, that looks delicious. So now I'll let this cool down and then I'll serve it with ice cream or with whipped cream. So now that the blueberry crumble has cooled, I'll give it a try. I'll put some in a bowl, and I think I'm going to use whipped cream on mine. So I have my bowl. I'll take a little. That came out of there beautifully. Put it in a plate, get some of these blueberries. I'll add a little whipped cream. Now doesn't that look good? So now I'll give it a try. This is really good. This is really yummy. This would be great with ice cream too. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my homemade blueberry crumble. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.